Today we're coloring Nancy's hair, and we're going to use Sun+Sweat on the ends of her hair from Save Me From to take away minerals and buildup while her hair color processes. Nancy's hair is now processed for 30 minutes. We're going to take her back and shampoo her, and then we'll see you back for the blow dry after. So today we're going to use age acceleration on Nancy's Blowout. It's the perfect thing to blow out hair to have a lot of body, and we're just going to use this product only so we can test it out. It's 2 pumps in from scalp to ends, and we're going to emulsify it into the hair and brush it through, and then we'll dry. Been my client for the last, 13 years, and I always like to use clients that I know their hair very, very well to try out new products. So this one is definitely a winner. It gives her a ton of more body, and this is literally the only styling product that we use, or actually only product that we use in her hair to style it and blow dry it. So we got a really great result with just treatment product. We love it.